Did you think married men can't become Catholic priests? Well, you're wrong, because sometimes they can. Look at this Catholic priest and his family on the day he baptized his own grandson. The Catholic Church sometimes grants exceptions to their standard practice of having celibate priests, and one of those times is when they're trying to make the Catholic Church look like an Anglican church. No, honestly, I'm not kidding. There's something called personal ordinariates, which are informally called Anglican ordinariates. In the US and Canada, there's this one that has 41 parishes. The Mass in these congregations, though it's completely legit Catholic Mass, uses a different liturgy to look more Anglican, and former Anglican priests, including married ones, were often taken into the ordinariate. Now, married men still can't be bishops, but in the ordinariate, if the guy that seems otherwise qualified to be a bishop is married, the Pope might give them the title of the ordinary and have them do most of what a bishop does, even though they are technically not a bishop. That's why this guy is a little more dressed up than your common priest. He's the ordinary of the UK Ordinariate, by the way. Anyone can attend an ordinariate parish, and any Catholic could take communion there, but to make it your own parish, it's not always that easy. Former Anglicans can join, and Methodists too, and if you have a family member who is in, you can get in, or if you're reached through the ministry of an ordinariate parish. Theologically, the parishes are Catholic, though. Yes to transubstantiation, yes to the Pope, yes to 7 whole sacraments, no to the 39 articles of religion. This whole thing began in 2009 when the Pope signed it into existence, and in 2011 and 2012 the first ordinariates were formed. One more thing on the married priests. It's still a by exception rule. If you grow up in the ordinariate and want to be a priest, you still need to be single and celibate. So eventually, unless something bigger changes in the practice of the Catholic Church, even the ordinariates will end up with a nearly entirely celibate priesthood. The ordinariates are interesting because people sometimes ask, are they Anglicans or are they Catholics? And the answer is they are Catholics. Similarly, people ask about Messianic Jews. Are they Jews or are they Christians? To see a 2-minute video on that, click here. Or for the slightly longer discussion of the ordinariates, click here.